Hello everyone, my name is Dolly Diner. Today we'll learn about vowel, consonant vowel too. So now let's begin. Look, and this all is the vowel. This all is the vowel. Vowel can have A, E, I, O, U. Or vowel can say the long vowel is A, E, I, O, U, and the short vowel is A, E, I, O, U. So now let's begin with this begins vowel. So as you can see, all this begins with a vowel. This begins with E. A, So let's read them. It is apple, apple, elephant, elephant. You say, okay. This is inchworm. You say, I say inchworm, so you say inchworm like me. So, what? Inchworm. Good. And here's ostrich. Ostrich is a vowel. Do you think the stretch is the vowel? No. R is the vowel, not os. So this is umbrella. You see, umbrella. So now let's begin to this. In my book, Abeka. As you can see, this is letter A. It says circle the picture that not belong. This is A, apple, cat, sun, and grass. So the sun will be it. Oh, and up here, this is the letter rock. So you think this is the letter rock. So it's ah. This is I. This is ah. Do you go in the bus all the time when you go to school? I think some of you. So you can see this is E. It has elephant, frog, ten, and bat. So frog is not belongs. So here inchworm, we have dog is not belong. And here we have turtle is not belong. Here we have hen is not belong. We see. Today we learn like much about vowel, but just a teeny. I think it's just a little video, but we'll learn so much. So see you again. Bye. Please subscribe.